In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design an invitation in Canva vertical bar birthday invitation. First, open Canva on your computer or phone. In the search bar at the top, type birthday invitation. You'll see a gallery of professionally designed templates. Take a minute to browse and filter by style or color if you have a theme in mind, playful, elegant, or minimalist. If you plan to print, choose a template that's sized like a standard card so it fits common envelopes. Click a design you like to open it, or choose a blank layout if you prefer starting from scratch. Now let's customize. Click directly on any text to replace the placeholders with your details, such as the event title, date, time, location, and RSVP. Use the font drop-down to experiment with styles. Keep readability front and center. Pair a bold decorative font for headings with a clean simple font for the smaller details. Adjust colors to match your theme using the color picker. Aim for good contrast so the text remains easy to read, and try consistent accent colors to tie everything together. If needed, tweak letter spacing and line height to make the text feel balanced. Next, add visual flair with the Elements tab on the left. Search for illustrations or stickers, cakes, balloons, stars, or confetti and drag them onto the canvas. You can recolor many graphics, rotate them, or adjust transparency to keep the design light. If your invite will be shared digitally, subtle animated stickers can add charm for print. Stick with static elements. Make it personal by uploading photos or artwork. Click Uploads, bring in your image, then drag it onto the page. Use frames or shapes to crop neatly, and apply light edits like brightness, contrast, or a gentle filter, so the photo complements your palette. High resolution images work best to avoid blurriness. Refine the layout with drag and drop. Move items until they feel balanced. And watch for Canva's pink alignment guides to center things perfectly. Resize elements by dragging corners, duplicate to repeat styles, or delete anything that feels crowded. Group related items so you can move them together and leave a small margin around edges to prevent trimming text. Use Arrange to send graphics forward or backward, and zoom out to check overall hierarchy and spacing. When you are happy, click Share in the top right corner and choose Download. For texting or social media, select JPG or PNG. For printing, choose PDF for crisp results. If your design touches the edge, enable Bleed for clean trimming. Save a copy so you can update details later if plans change. You've just created a polished birthday invitation in Canva that's ready to share or print. Thanks for watching.